Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to create a YouTube channel. Just open up your browser, go to youtube.com and log into your Gmail account. You must have a Gmail account. Okay, here are the channels that I have already created. In this video I will create a new channel. So just log into my default account and click on here. Whenever you sign in with your account, by default your username will be your existing channel or your default channel. So in this case we want to create a new channel. I clicked on the switch accounts from here and it's showing me all my current channels, and in order to create a new channel you have to go to view all channels. Okay, so here is the option to create a new channel. Just click on it and let's create a channel. I will upload these tutorials on my new channel, so I just name it Tech Villa. Okay, let's see. Create it. Okay, this channel does not exist, we already know that. It has been created and we will upload our first video from here. Continue, select files. Okay, here's a video we have created on how to upload videos on the YouTube, and in this video we are also showing you how to upload a video on the YouTube. Okay, it's uploading. Let's create a tags for this video. Go to rapidtag.com, paste it, and it will show you how to upload videos on YouTube, different kind of tags that you can paste it so people can easily search your video. We just copy it, go here, just click on show more here, and the tags are here. Just paste it. Okay, done. Okay, you have to fill this also, description, what this video is about. I'm done with it. Okay, upload a thumbnail from here. First verify you for your phone number. Okay, we will do that later. Audience, no, it's not made for kids. Age restrictions, no, it doesn't have any age restrictions. Paid promotion, no, it doesn't contain any paid promotion. Automatic chapters, allow it. Automatic updates, we will go into the details in the coming videos, but for the time being let's just save it. Okay, category, it's more about science and technology. This channel will be more about technology, so let's select the category as science and technology. Click on next, and we will add the cards and end screen later once we have more videos. Next, check. Okay, you can check it for the plagiarism also. Next, you don't want to set it private, so only you can see it. Unlisted, only with the link people can see it, the ones with who you share this link. We don't want that option also. Select the public option. You don't want to schedule, you just want to instantly publish it as soon as it is uploaded. Publish. Done, it's uploading. Close it. Done. Our first video will be ready in few minutes. You can search it later. Dark theme is here. Okay, not theme required. Please leave me alone. Okay, done. It's public, it's ready. Can we check it? Just click on this link. It will upload a video. Start the video. Okay, it's live now. To your YouTube channel. Okay. Just log into the YouTube channel, and I assume don't worry. Already created it. Go to the create, upload videos. More resolutions will come as soon as the picture video is processed completely. It's still processing the 4K version up to 4K. It will create different versions of it. It has started with the lowest resolution 360p, and it will go up to the 4K because the video was recorded in the 4K. Okay, it has generated an auto thumbnail from the video itself, but we will in the next video create a thumbnail using Canva. So I think it's done for now. Thank you.